We've got something super special today. I've got some 2-inch thick ribeyes. We're going to reverse sear them on this Pit Boss pellet grill. And we're going to serve them up with some truffle butter. That's right, truffle butter. Truffles are expensive. We got this little jar. They're 20 bucks. It's once in a year deal. Stay with me. That's right. 2 inches of awesome ribeye goodness. Let's get this started. Little olive oil as a binder, right? Okay. Oh, gorgeous, aren't they? For our rub today, Oakridge barbecue, Carne, Crosta, Steakhouse rub. Okay, this is one of Oakridge Barbecue's newer rubs. And I'm going to load these guys up. They're 2 inches thick. You know, some people say thicker is better. And we're going to do both sides of these guys. When I get them all seasoned up, we'll be right back. What we've got here are truffles. Now look, you don't do this every day of the week unless you're rich, maybe. $20 for this little jar of truffles, right? I got one truffle out there, all right? Here's what we're going to do. Going to shred this truffle all up. I got about a half of a truffle there. We're going to put it back in our jar. Like I said, you don't want to waste this kind of stuff. All right? Now, what I have here is a stick of Irish butter. Make sure you use Irish butter if you're looking for something awesome here. Okay? I took that Irish butter and I put it in the microwave. I don't know, it's 20 seconds, 30 seconds, whatever it takes to melt up a little Irish butter. Now what we're going to do is sprinkle in little chives. What do you think that is? Teaspoon maybe? I don't know. Don't worry about it. You know, guys, everybody, how much? Don't worry about exactly what it is. There's about a teaspoon of tarragon. You should put in there what you think looks good. That's part of the whole cooking experience. And then what we've got here, little shallot, okay? A little bit less. And look, you don't have to have this. This next thing is optional, but we had a different recipe and it just sounds good. I'm going to put about a teaspoon of orange zest in there, okay? Now, I don't have a spoon, so I'm just going to stir this up, all right? Look at that. Don't it look delicious? It's going to be awesome on these steaks. Those truffles. Oh, yeah. Truffle butter. We're going to put this in the fridge and let it get a little bit solid. So we're going to get these guys on this pellet grill. Now let me show you how I got it set up. I've got this set on P4 on the smoke setting. What this is going to do is give us enough time to get a nice smoke. You can see right now we're on 175. This smoker stays on 175 to 185 when I have it on this P4 setting. So let's get our lid closed. So I'm guessing this is going to take about an hour. We want to cook it up to about 105 to 109 degrees before we take it off and get ready for that sear. This is perfect. It's been about an hour and 15 minutes, 109 degrees. We're still going to sear them. We want these guys to be rare to medium rare. Let's get it off here. Now we're going to crank this pellet grill all the way up. We're going to get some sear action going. 500 degrees. Let's let it get up to the temperature, and then we're going to finish these ribeyes. Been letting this Pit Boss pellet grill go for about 15 minutes. It's up to 500 degrees. We're going to sear these ribeyes off now. Right? That's why it's called reverse sear. You smoke them up and then you sear them. Let's get that lid closed, see what's going on. It's been 2 minutes. Look, we got some fire going. Yeah. Let me get them flipped over. These steaks are going to be awesome. Two more minutes, and we're going to serve them up. Spend another 3 minutes. 126, 124. You see it. Let's get these steaks off here and serve them up. Look at that. These guys are beautiful. Look at that. As you've heard me talk about many times before, they all show up when you want to do the taste test.
The good part.
We got a ribeyes here with, how do you say that? Carne, Crosta steak seasoning. Did you bring a fork?
No, I'll use my fingers.
Okay. You guys got to look at this.
I'm excited about this one. I've been waiting for
We're
hours.
just going to cut it right across the middle. And look at that. Just look at that. She's gorgeous, is she not? Medium rare all the way. You guys see the ribeyes? We're going to put a little bit of that truffle butter on there. I don't even care if it like melts down, right? We're going to try this truffle butter.
I'm excited about this too.
On these ribeyes, right? Let me get the truffle butter over here. You said we don't have any forks?
No, we're going to use
It's
our
going to
fingers.
be all fingery.
Yeah, it's going to use our fingers.
It's okay with me.
I want the rarest part you can give me, okay?
I don't even know if I'm going to let you have any.
Yeah, I'm going to get some.
I don't think so.
No, I'm really excited.
Okay. So here's what we're going to do. Look how tender.
I'm so excited.
Look how tender. Okay. We're going to put a little bit of that truffle butter on yours.
Yummy.
And a little bit of that truffle butter on mine.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay.
I don't care if you guys use forks or not.
Okay. You ready?
Okay.
Oh, you didn't say cheers.
I can't say cheers. There's too much goodness waiting to have.
Oh my god. Wow.
Tell me that's not good.
That is so good.
All right. So here's what we're talking about here.
I love that.
We're talking about fingers. No, that's not what we're talking about.
Oh my
little
gosh.
Smokiness.
I love this.
Smokiness.
This is so good.
Smokiness from the ribeye. Because we took our time. It was 180 degrees, over an hour. We took it up to, I think it was 109, 110. And then we pulled them off and we seared it. We seared it at high heat, 2 minutes each.
It's so delicious. You really need to do this. It's so good.
Look.
The truffle butter is amazing on top of it. I mean, it's like,
Yeah.
it's like the ultimate finisher.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it's so good.
Awesome stuff.
Wow. You did so good. Wow. Thank you so much.